breakfast for his husband. His name is Jungkook, author. Hey Cookie, can you introduce yourself? Puppy eyes. Cookie, you again come? Okay, I will introduce now. You go. Shoo. Author. Pout and left. Cookie. Hello everyone, my name is Jeon. Oh, sorry, Kim Jong-kook. I am married to Kim Theong, CEO of Kim Corporation. This is the second month of our marriage. Our parents arranged our marriage. Actually, I fall for him in first sight blush. Who will not when he is a Greek god? His cheeks was fully red now, but he is very cold. I always try to talk to him, but he just answered with okay, he pout. I think he don't love me. His eyes become teary. But it's okay, I will try my best to make him fall for me. Fighting Cookie, he encouraged himself. Okay, now bye bye, my hubby is coming. Tai come down, being completely ready for office and sit on dining table. Cook serve him breakfast and sit beside him. Both started to eat. There is a pin drop silence between them, but Cookie break it. Cook, how is breakfast heavy? Bunny smiled. Tai, good, cold. Cook coldly, pout and said slowly. Tai, you said something serious voice. Cook, gulp, no, nothing. He again started to eat. Tai, I'm done eating, he said. Cook, okay, he get up from his seat. Tai, where are you going? Cook, to bring your office bag. He cursed himself for stirring. Tai, first complete your breakfast. Serious voice. Cook, I will do it later. You are getting late now. Tai, I said first complete this. Dark voice. Cookie pout. He sit and started to eat. Tai chuckles internally, seeing his pout. He saw how Cook was eating fastly, so he said, Tai, eat slowly, Bunny. I'm not getting late. Soft voice. Cook blushed by hearing his nickname. He completed his breakfast. Cook giving back to Tai. Take care, Heavy. Eat your lunch on time and don't overwork. Tai's cheeks. Tai, you do take care. He pecked his forehead and left. It's common between them. Cook always kisses cheeks before Tai go office and Tai peck his forehead. At office, Tai's POV. You are so beautiful, my bunny. He was looking at his wallpaper. I am so lucky that God give me an angel like you, Bun. I love you so much. Kiss cookies pick. I know I always talk coldly with you, but it's my nature, Bun. But I am changing myself for you, my princess. Just wait for tonight, Bun. Today I will tell you how much I love you. He hugged his mobile tightly. Other side. Cook was sitting on sofa when he get a call. Cook, hello Amma, Cook's mom. Hello Bunny, how are you, Cookie? I'm totally fine. How are you, Amma? Bunny smile. Cook's mom. I'm fine, Bunny. She cough. Cook, what happened, Amma? You are not looking fine. Tensed. Cook's mom. Nothing, Bunny. Just a little cough. She smiled at her caring son. Cook. Okay, but I am coming to see you. I am missing you all, he bowed. Cook's mom. Ah, my bunny. Okay, Bun, are you coming with Ty? Cook, no, mom. He have an important meeting today, so only I will come. Cook's mom. Okay, bunny. Bye. Cook, bye, Amma. He cut the call. Cook, I should go. I should tell hubby that I'm going. He was going to call him, but Cook, he must be busy in meeting. I shouldn't disturb him. So he sent him a message. Hubby, I'm going to meet Amma. I will come back tomorrow morning. Take care of yourself. I made the dinner, so when you come back, office eat it, and after eating, okay. Bye. Love you. Thai POV. Here I come back after meeting. I checked my mobile phone and there was a message from love of my life. Tai, read the message he out. Oh, so you are not home today? He replied him with okay and take care. Tai, take a deep breath. I'm already missing you, one. His face become gloomy. It's not like that he don't want Cook to go, but he just can't live without seeing his bunny's face. He complete his work and go home. Tai reached home. He was missing Cook so much. He didn't feel like to eat dinner, so he freshed up and lay down on the bed to sleep. It's been 15 minutes, but he can't able to sleep because he always hug his bun when his bun's sleeping. But today Cook was not there. Tai, sit on the bed. I'm missing you so much. One little cracked voice. Wait, I can call him, right? He picked his phone to call, but no, he must be sleeping now. It's not right time to call. He put his mobile back. Tai, what should I do now? He pouted here. A old ass man was pouting. No one will believe, but that's true. Tai picked his laptop and started to do work to distract himself from missing his bun. It was 1 o'clock. Tai's head started to pain. He leave his laptop. He get up and bring cookies, hoodie, one hoodie. He again lay on bed while hugging it, Ty, smelling his Bun's hoodie. I love you so much, Bun. Please come back to your hubby. Tears started to fall from his eyes. Hubby is missing you so much. I am sorry that hubby always talk coldly with you, but Bun, I will never do this again. Please come back soon, Bun. He don't know when he slept while crying. Next morning, cook POV. Cook, finally I am back to my home. I miss my hubby so much. I never stay without him. Sad pout. I am sorry, hubby. I will not leave you again. Your bunny miss you so much. Teary eyes. I just wanna hug you and kiss you so badly. He was talking to himself. Cook, hubby, he shouted but didn't get any answer. Did he already leave for office? He pout. Cook, let's check the room once, Cookie. Cook POV. I go to room and saw my hubby was sleeping while hugging my hoodie. Cook. He also missed me. He blushed. He go near Ty and sit. Cook. Ah, how cute you are looking. But he frowned, seeing the dry tears on Ty's cheeks. Cook. Did he cried? He become worried. He touched Ty's cheeks. Ty opened his eyes when he feel a soft touch on his cheeks. Ty's eyes become teary when he saw Cook. Cook become worried seeing his hubby's teary eyes. Cook. Hubby, what happened? Why are you crying? Teary face. Ty hug his bun tightly. He hide his face in Cook's neck. Ty. It's not dream, right? You are here, right? I miss you so much, bun. My bunny, my princess. He kiss his whole face. Please don't leave me again. I can't live without you. I love you so much, he said while crying. Cook was also crying, but his eyes become wide when he heard that. Cook, I also miss you, hubby, but wait, his eyes become wide. You love me, teary two eyes. Tai chuckled, seeing his bun's cute face. He kissed his both eyes. Yes, Bun, I love you so much. I'm so sorry. I always behave cold to you. Please forgive your hubby. Bun, I fall for you when I saw you first time. He became worried when he saw his bun started crying. Tai, why are you crying, Bun? It's okay if you don't love me, but cut by a pair of lips. He Tai wide his eyes, but melt in kiss and kiss him back. After 5 minutes, they broke the kiss. Cook, you bad hubby, I hate you. You know how desperately I was waiting for it. He was hitting Tai with his small fist while crying and complaining him like a baby. Tai hug him tightly. I'm sorry, princess, but please don't cry. I can't see my princess crying. He cupped Cook's face, kissed his eyes. He moved his lips to his tears and wiped them by sucking. Cook's cheeks become red like strawberry by Ty's. This act, Tai, it, that's it. I lost. That's it, Ty lost in his bun's red cheeks. He just wanna bite them. Ty put his lips on Cook's cheeks and started to suck them. Cook closed his eyes, feeling his hubby's touch. Ty bite his cheeks. He moved his lips to Cook's neck and was continuously started to bite their Cook. Hubby, slow down. He managed to say these words between his Ty, make him lay on bed and go on him. I looked at Cook, who was breathing heavily, chest going up and down, messy hairs, closed eyes, open lips. That's it, I become. Cook opened his eyes and saw his hubby was staring at him with love-filled eyes. Hubby, make love with me. Thai, are you sure? But you don't have to force. Cook stopped him, saying further by pecking his lips. Cook, I'm not forcing myself, hubby. I also want that. I can't live far away from you anymore, teary eyes. Tai wiped his tears. I also can't live far from you, princess. I love you so much. Kiss his forehead. Cook, I love you too, hubby. Sincere eyes. Both was looking into each other's eyes. They don't know when their lips met and they kissed each other passionately. They made love. They become completely each other's two bodies with one soul. And after that, they lived happily. The end. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.